Hello everyone. So today let us take a look at some of the questions that you asked me. Now the first question is from Joan, and Joan is asking about, is it possible to send a custom email based on updates to an issue? And he actually asked about, let us say, when a new card is added to the active sprint. Now what I can recommend is, so using ScriptRunner listener, you can listen for various events, and when you are trying to do something with those events, you can actually send uh, an email by writing your own custom script. The next question is from Shoaib, and Shoaib is asking about portfolio. Now his question is about a scenario when member is part of multiple teams and also part of multiple projects. Now how do we uh, manage their workload? Now, so basically you have the option to define the individual availability at team level as well. Now portfolio in the old version, in the live version, will take care of these availabilities, and will suggest a plan based on what their availabilities are in different teams. Now, unfortunately, in the new version, this feature is not yet there. So, in the new version, you just basically have to manage this yourself. The next question is from Dennis, and Dennis is asking about how can we convert the checklist into a subtask. Now, he basically added this comment on my issue checklist video that I posted a couple of days back. Well, the good thing about this particular add-on, this particular app, is that you can convert the checklist into an issue, but it will create an issue for you, not really a subtask. The next question is from Faiza, and Faiza is asking about how to send an email with PDF attachment with the content of the issue itself. Now, there are some apps like Better PDF Exporter that can do this for you. In case you want to also use ScriptRunner to customize it further, I believe you should be able to do it. But if you just want to do it without any other app, uh, only with ScriptRunner, you can definitely create maybe an HTML file, or maybe you want to create some text-based file. That can always work. So let us say when you click on a button, you can trigger a script to run that can, of course, pick up the values from the issue, and then it can generate that particular file, and we can always send this file uh, as an email, and you can also write code for sending an email. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.